Year 9s, we're going to talk about some of our inequalities we've been talking about. So inequalities use all of these signs. So remember these. So this one is less than, this one means less than or equal to, this one means greater than, and this one means greater than or equal to. So let's say that I give you something like this. So x is less than 4. Okay, let's do a number line. So sometimes you're asked to put things onto a number line. Well, this is the most uneven number line ever. You get my point. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. So what we're going to do is find what number we need. So we need 4. Now, there are two different things we can have. We can have a closed dot or we can have an open dot. Now, it depends whether we're using this equals to bit. So if we have, if we don't want to include the number we're talking about, we need an open dot. If we do want to include the number we're talking about, we need a closed dot. So if there's an equal to, it's a closed dot, okay? So this one, there's not an equal to, so we're going to use an open dot. So we're going to put an open dot over 4. Now, which way do we need to go? X is everything less than 4, so we need to go less than 4. And we can just put an arrow pointing out to forever because it goes on forever theoretically. And that is how we would draw this in a number line. Let's change colour and do another one. Let's say I said x is greater than or equal to -3. Well, I know that we have to start on -3. It's an equal to one, so it's got to be a closed dot. And we're going greater than, so we get to go in this direction this time. And let's do one more. Let's do green. Okay, so this time I'm going to put an upper or a lower range as well. So this time we're just given one end of the equation. So let's say that x we've got in the middle. So we'll say x is, why does that keep happening? So let's say the lower end, so x is greater than or equal to -2, and x is less than 5. So it's equal to -2, so we're going to do a closed dot there, and we're going to go up to 5, and we need an open dot here. And then we're just going to draw a line between the two things. So it's just that simple. Figure out whether it's open or closed, and then figure out where in your number line you need to be. And if it goes on forever, put a little arrow. If it doesn't, make sure you know where both ends need to go. Good luck with drawing those.